Did you know you can make money selling t-shirts, mugs, or stickers without having inventory? Without investing in products and from your home? In this video, I'm going to explain everything about the print-on-demand business. What platforms exist, how it works, and how you can start from scratch today. So if you're looking for a real way to generate online income in 2025, stay until the end. Let's get started. Welcome to our channel, where we explore exciting opportunities to make money online. Today we're diving into the world of print-on-demand, a business model that's gaining traction and offering incredible potential for entrepreneurs in 2025. Let's start by understanding what print-on-demand really is. Print-on-demand, or POD for short, is exactly what it sounds like. Printing products on demand. Here's how it works. You create a design, upload it to a platform, choose the products you want to sell. It could be t-shirts, mugs, notebooks, or even phone cases. And when a customer makes a purchase, the platform prints your design on the product and ships it directly to them. The beauty of this business model is its simplicity and low barrier to entry. You don't need to pre-purchase products, manage inventory, or handle shipping. Your main job is to create appealing designs and market them effectively. For each sale, you earn a commission, and the best part, it's 100% legal and infinitely scalable. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but how much can I actually earn? Well, the potential earnings with print-on-demand can vary widely. Depends on several factors: your effort, creativity, and marketing strategy. Some people might earn a modest $50 a month, while others can rake in thousands of dollars monthly. Here is an exciting fact. A single popular design can be sold hundreds of times across different products. Imagine creating a design that resonates with people and seeing it on t-shirts, hoodies, and mugs all over the world. If you consistently upload high-quality designs and target the right niches, you can build a store that generates passive income. This means you could potentially earn money while you sleep, without having to be actively involved every day. Now, let us talk about some of the best platforms for print-on-demand in 2025. Each platform has its unique features and benefits. So pay attention to find the one that suits your needs best. First up is Printful. This platform is known for its wide range of products and excellent print quality. They integrate seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Etsy, making it easy to set up your store. Printful also offers design services if you're not confident in your artistic skills. Next, we have Redbubble. This platform is great for artists and designers as it has a built-in marketplace. You upload your designs and Redbubble takes care of everything else from production to customer service. It's an excellent option if you want to focus solely on creating designs. Teespring, now known as Spring, is another popular choice. They've expanded beyond just t-shirts and now offer a variety of products. Spring is known for its user-friendly interface and strong community support. They also provide tools to help you market your products effectively. For those looking to sell on Amazon, Merch by Amazon is a fantastic option. It allows you to leverage Amazon's massive customer base. However, it's worth noting that getting accepted into this program can be competitive, so you'll need to bring your Agame Spreadshirt is another platform worth considering. They offer a unique feature where you can create your own storefront within their marketplace. This gives you more control over your brand while still benefiting from their established customer base. Lastly, let's talk about Zazzle. This platform stands out for its customization options. Customers can personalize products with your designs, which can be a big selling point. Zazzle also has a large marketplace, increasing your chances of getting discovered by potential buyers. Each of these platforms has its strengths, so I recommend researching them further to find the best fit for your goals and design style. You might even want to try a few to diversify your income streams. Now, let's address some common questions about print-on-demand. Many people wonder if they need to be professional designers to succeed in this business. The answer is no. While having design skills is certainly helpful, it's not a requirement. There are many tools and resources available that can help you create attractive designs, even if you're not artistically inclined. Canva, for example, is a user-friendly design tool with templates that can help you get started. Another frequent concern is about marketing. How do you get your designs in front of potential customers? Social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok can be powerful tools for showcasing your products. You can create content around your designs, share behind the scenes, glimpses of your creative process, or even collaborate with influencers in your niche. Speaking of niches, finding the right one is crucial for success in print on demand. Look for topics or themes that have a passionate audience but aren't oversaturated. This could be anything from niche hobbies to specific professions or even pop culture references. The key is to create designs that resonate with a particular group of people. It's also important to stay on top of trends. What's popular today might not be tomorrow, so keep an eye on current events, memes, cultural phenomena that could inspire new designs. However, be careful not to infringe on copyrights or trademarks. Always create original designs or use properly licensed elements. As we wrap up this video, I want to emphasize that print on demand is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Like any business, it requires effort, patience, and persistence. You might not see immediate results, but with consistent work and improvement, you can build a profitable business over time. Remember, the beauty of print on demand is that you can start small and scale up as you learn and grow. You don't need a large upfront investment, just your creativity and willingness to learn. Before we end, I have a quick favor to ask. If you found this information helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We're constantly creating content to help you navigate the world of online business and passive income. And do not forget to share this video with anyone you know who might be interested in starting their own print-on-demand business. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success in the exciting world of print-on-demand in 2025 and beyond. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.